everybody! So now I'm going to cook Asam Pedas Ikan Patin. Add onion and garlic. This one is paste Asam Pedas. So I just use paste. I just use whatever that I have at home. Ikan patin just now I already soak it with lime. Mantap! Look at that!
Black bean.
Yes. Mantap teman. Cover it. Cukup rasa. That one just now the paste, the asam pedas paste just now. That one complete already, all the ingredient inside there. So I only add in red onion and garlic only. The ingredient that they have just now inside the paste asam pedas, asam jawa, onion, soya bean oil, sugar, dried chili, ginger, salt, garlic, shrimp paste, salt and ginger. Complete already this one. Okay, cover it again. Nice smell, asam pedas smell. Mantap this one.
Asam tapi pedas.
Want to put aji. Wow, nothing. Put lime. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Sugar just 1 spoon enough. And then mix. Okay. Taste it first. Perfect. Asam pedas. Ooh, look at that. This one just now is garlic and anchovy, and then the boiled pumpkin. I already boiled it earlier. Cukup rasa. Okay, already enough there. Okay, masak lagi. Okay. Pumpkin is my best and favorite. Ta-da! Okay. Our dinner is ready. So this one is Asam Pedas Ikan Patin. This one is spicy. This one is not spicy for Bryson. And then this one is pumpkin. Just a simple menu for tonight. Hello everybody! So now we want to have our dinner. So today I cook this one. What we call it this one? Asam Pedas Ikan Patin. Then the spicy one. This one Bryson one just now, not spicy.
This one.
This one, what is it Bryson?
A pumpkin with soup.
Correct! Pumpkin with soup. Okay.
This one.
Some we eat.
Some we eat.
Mommy want to take the head, huh? Mommy take the head. Eh, the head.
Pedas.
Take the
Smell
kuah.
like Maggi asam pedas.
And then mommy want to take the pumpkin. That's also mama.
Actually, yeah.
Mommy taste it first.
Jadi orang buat.
The meat. Okay, taste how to taste of the asam pedas.
Maggi orang kan dia.
Nice.
This white not
Even though
no banjel.
not enough ingredient,
Not banjel.
but the paste already
Very good.
enough ingredient already lah.
Betul.
I only put that one in now. Bawang and then some MSG and this one sugar and what you call it now? Kurasa. So okay everybody, we want to eat first.
Later than CTV.
Later then we see TV. Okay.
CCTV.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, everybody.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.